Hi everyone! Welcome to these calming stretches, best done in the evening to relax and unwind. Um, they are all in seated position, so let's get started. Okay, we start here. Both legs stretch to the front. And if this is already quite intense for you, you can also use a bolster to put underneath your knees. Feel free to grab a pillow, a bolster, or if you have one of those foam rollers, you can also put that underneath here as support. Or you can work with a strap to put around your feet and pull yourself. Maybe I just press, because I have my strap right here, I can show you what I mean. So you can use the strap like this, sit upright, and then you take that strap to support you, pulling closer towards your feet. You want to keep your back long and just look to the front. Stay here. Release. And if you already feel flexible enough, inhale, exhale, grab your feet and come towards your knees. Breathe. Inhale, lift up again. Exhale, try to stretch further down. One more inhale, straighten up. Exhale, stretch further. Hold here and breathe. Release. Bring the left foot in so it touches the inner thigh of your right leg. Inhale, stretch long. Exhale, come down. And here the same applies. You can put a bolster below your knee, or you can work with a strap around your foot. Breathe. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, sink down further. Change the side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, sink down further. And release. Change the side again. Now bring that left foot in like this. The right leg stays long. And here you take your left arm and come down with that left shoulder. You come down as quite a lot. So you can wrap around that leg and grab the left arm with your right hand. Yeah. So if this is a bit too much right now, then you can also work with the strap here and just hold. Yeah, or a towel if you don't have a strap, something, a cloth. Yeah, that's an option. And maybe one day you can bind fully. So if you can bind already, or even if you use a strap, just open your chest, inhale, and exhale, lean lean forward towards the knee and just stay here. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen, exhale. Come towards the knee. One more time, inhale, lengthen, exhale, stretch down. Come back, release, change the side. Same here, you bind. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, lean towards the knee. Again, inhale, lengthen, exhale, lean. One more time. And lean forward towards the knee. And release. Very good. Now close your feet. Grab your hands, interlock your hands around the feet, and then just push the knees down towards the mat. You want to bring the knees towards the mat. And then you hold the knees down. You can use your elbows to push the legs further down, and you lean towards the front. The goal is to bring the forehead on the floor, but you see, even I still struggle with that one. But maybe you are already that flexible, so you can put your head down. If not, just stay where it stops and keep pushing, leaning further into the stretch. Breathe and hold it. Hold the stretch. Push the knees down. And slowly come back. Shake your legs if you feel the need to, and then sit cross-legged. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Bring one hand, like the right hand on your left knee and the left hand behind. Twist. Inhale back up. Twist to the other side. Inhale back up. And then you drop the one arm to the side. Come on the forearm and stretch that other side long. Keep the seating bones on the mat. Inhale back up. Other side. Come back. Take your head onto one shoulder and the head, not the hand, but the hand goes on the head. And the other hand pushes down. And next stretch. Breathe. Change gently. Release. Circle your shoulders. And then take your hands behind your back, interlock your hands behind your back. Pull them back so the shoulder opens in the front. And with that pose, you lean forward and bring the head down. The hands pull up towards the ceiling. Breathe. And come back up. Release your hands. Inhale. Close your hands. Exhale to your forehead, to your lips, to your heart. Thank you so much. Namaste.